bobby winder through here, and then like this, one round like this, and like this. There's you go like this, then like this, then like this. Okay. You press. Okay. Now turn it on. Okay. We put it right here. Then you see the first gap right here. Go into it like this, okay? And leave it there, okay? And then we pull this one right here. Goes through here, through here, through here, like this. You make a U. Then goes right here. See? Right there. Right here, and let me see. Let me take out this out. You go into the thread guard right here, and then goes into the needle from here through there. Okay, let me. Okay.
From front to back.
To back. Yes, like this. Okay. Then you do it by hand. You take this thread up like this. You see? There you go. That's the right way. Then put those threads to the back. Over. It's like this. That's it. Then right here to here, you go down. You go up. You hook it right here with the take up. You go down right here, and then right there. Then you thread it from front to back. You thread it, okay? Like this. There you go. All with models right here, we got straight, we got number 8, A, okay? You switch it to B, zigzag, this pattern, D pattern, E pattern, F pattern. Okay? Is for reverse. You see, when you sew, you go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. That's reverse. This one right here is for zigzag, okay? Let's try it on zigzag, okay? Put it always the needle up, always, to dial, okay? We're gonna put B for zigzag, okay? This is the wide, wider, okay? Let's put it number 5 with same stitches, okay? You see? As you can see, you see, it's wide, okay? We put it less, number 2. You see? Stitching. Okay? More bigger stitching. Okay? The higher the stitching goes faster, okay?